Hi, boys and girls. Happy Friday. Today we are really supposed to have a half day, so you should be able to finish your work rather quickly and then be able to enjoy the long weekend. I hope that your family found some way special to still celebrate Memorial Day, have a barbecue, get outside, eat some watermelon, um, and things like that. So today is Color War. You can wear the color that matches the letters for your last name. So Traversone starts with a T, which would be an RSTU. So I would have to wear purple today. Okay. For read aloud, you're just going to reflect on Flipgrid today for Charlotte's Web. There are two different questions on there. You can choose to answer whichever one. And you can also feel free to just give your general opinions and thoughts about the story and the characters so far. For reading, you're going to sign on to Book Creator and you should be able to see everybody's book that people made this week. Again, if you didn't do Book Creator, I will add to the slide before you get it, but I'm making this a little bit early. So all of your books will be available, and I'm asking that you try to read at least 2 of them. You can read more. You can read 2. You can't read less. So try to read at least 2 of your friends who would win books. After you've done that, then for writing, remember these kind of go hand in hand, then you're going to leave compliments on Flipgrid. So you're going to record yourself, name the 2 who would win books that you watched, and leave them a glow and a grow. Please remember that you are going to have to go back and listen to all of your friends to see who read your book and what compliments they have for you. This is a little different than when we're in school and there's just a piece of paper that everybody has for us to give our signs on. And please remember to be positive and respectful when you're giving your glows and your grows, okay? For math, you also have a Flipgrid. You're going to show me what you've learned about fractions in a set this week by solving another question. So you're going to log on to Flipgrid. You're going to show me how you solve. So whether you have physical things in your hands, pennies, coins, stuffed animals that you're using and manipulating, or you draw a picture and you're holding it up. And I'd like you to include fraction vocabulary in your response as well. So make sure you have your math glossaries in front of you. You should be able to use some of those math words when you're explaining, okay? And last but not least is the science marble maze. If you haven't gotten a chance to do that, you are welcome to. And then, of course, if you do it, then please share it on Flipgrid for the rest of us to enjoy. Who knows, by you doing it, you might inspire somebody else. And of course, if you're interested, there are a bunch of early finish for activities, but I have a feeling you guys are going to finish early and head outside for this gorgeous weekend. Okay? See you later. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.